So apparently, you don't need help. You don't need a strategy. You don't need anyone. You just need ChatGPT. Upload your records to ChatGPT, type in some symptoms, and boom, VA rating unlocked. That's the hype right now. That's what veterans are being told to do. So let's talk about that and let's get down to what this really means and some of the ramifications. Now, don't get me wrong, we use AI. I love AI. I have a background in technology. We built our own custom bots with our knowledge, our process, our language, trained from what we do. And even then, we still verify because even with the right inputs, AI can get it wrong. Laws get misapplied, context gets ignored, and veterans pay the price when that happens. But here's what I need you to hear: the system is not one size fits all. You had a VSO that helped? Awesome. You did it solo and you got rated? I love that for you. Another company burned you? Seen it too many times, sadly. Another company helped you? Hell yes. I love that for you. But let's be honest. What worked for one veteran didn't work for the other 20. And what might work for you won't work on repeat unless it's rooted in regulation, evidence, and a real strategy. We helped the veteran go from denials to being rated. She was finally confident. She decided to go solo for her next claim and she chat GPT'd it. Then came a proposal to reduce. When we looked at what she submitted, I could tell instantly that it was AI generated, the same line breaks, the same robotic phrasing, medical jargon that sounded smart but doesn't match how a real veteran actually speaks. Told the VA those were formal Nexus letters. And here's where it gets dangerous. Some of these expert services online are telling you to write your own Nexus letters with AI. Let me be loud and clear. You cannot write your own medical opinion. You are not a medical professional qualified to write a medical opinion. The VA doesn't care how many journals or studies or buddy statements you submit. If you're missing a medical opinion, you're missing the thing that actually gets claims approved. Yes, your personal statements matter. Yes, your buddy statements can help, but none of that replaces a qualified medical opinion when it comes to your service. That's what wins claims. Not a well written prompt, not ChatGPT, not hope. A medical opinion is what seals it. Stay tuned for part 2, where I will show you what a Nexus letter actually is. And yes, I'll even show you the regulation that doesn't say you, the veteran, can write your own medical opinion. Send this to a veteran who needs to hear this before they chat GPT themselves into a denial or even worse, a reduction like the veteran here. Now we're back to working together to try and stop this reduction.